Larry Brady with Ucor is here today to show us how to suit up in this personal protective equipment before workers can step inside facilities. So Larry, let's get started.
All right, Allison, let's get you ready to do some work inside our buildings. The first thing we're going to do is place internal shoe covers on. So you just put one over each. This is the base layer, and typically find it easier to start putting on your coveralls while you're still sitting down. So this is Tyvek, which is pretty standard use for deactivation or demolition when you're inside one of the work areas. This is the layer that protects your body from anything that you happen to be working in.
Okay.
And then the last thing before we stand up
is our booty?
Are your booties. Your
rubber booties?
So rubber booties. And these go on the outside.
How do I look?
You look like you're wearing a large and you're not a large.
Yeah.
And then you zip it all the way up.
Okay.
Now, for today, what we won't be doing is putting on a respirator. But typically, if you do, you put on a respirator, the hood would come over the top. We're gonna skip that today.
Skip that, okay.
But this closes up on the top right here, and it protects anything from coming on the inside. Now, the cotton gloves that you put on first, these don't do anything for protection, but what they do is in the winter, it provides a little bit of space for heat. In the summer, it takes some of your sweat off your hands. And then you put on one layer, your first layer of gloves. And these are your inner gloves. And to make sure they're sealed between your sleeve and the glove, we put a layer of tape. You keep this tab on the last piece you put in, and you just wrap and tape that seal. Perfect. And you just do it again with the other glove. And then you're gonna put in one final layer for today. These are your outer gloves. These aren't taped.
Okay.
And what this does is protects you from the hazard on the outside. Now, almost every single time you enter, there's also a pair of work gloves. Leather gloves, some sort of protective glove, cut-resistant gloves, something that goes on the outside as well.
Should we pull this up?
We can pull it up. And this is an example of what you look like dressed out.
We are good to go.